In het kader van de Limburgse Circulaire Innovatie Top 20 gaan we vandaag langs bij Human Material Loop op de Bryland Campus in Geleen. Human Material Loop doet mee in de categorie Circulaire Start-up.
I'm Sophia Koller, I'm the founder of Human Material Loop. We are a material innovation company with a major focus on transforming hair waste into new planet-positive fibers for the textile industry.
And tell us a little bit more about this innovation.
The company originates in the mission of how to lower the pollution of the textile industry, but also the how to create value for something that was so precious while it was on top of your head. But once it was cut, it lost all its value. Yeah. So we have developed the green chemical process to transform these tossed away hairs from hair salons and make it suitable for the production of textiles in already existing machinery in the textile factories.
And why do you think it will be successful?
Our innovation will be successful because there is just a lack of alternative raw materials for the industry itself, but also the benefits that we can provide for the industry, but also for the individuals. Our material is also chemical and plastic free, so it's not just a better environmental choice for both the industry and consumers, but also a lot healthier material to dress yourself or surround ourselves with.
What challenges does your company face in the near future or the further future, do you think at this moment?
Of course there are many challenges once you are building a venture, so it's not an easy one straight road, but with a road with many bumps. So of course we have to also create a market for a new material. We need to create acceptance, but also we need to establish trust with our suppliers and partners that this material is nothing scary, nothing different than a wool fiber.
Okay. And finally, and why you picked the Bryland Campus as your office or your central point?
The company started in Amsterdam, that's where also I lived over 10 years. But as the company started to grow and our innovation required more and more knowledge and infrastructure and expertise, we were looking into different places in the Netherlands where we could move and relocate. And Brightland was just the most suitable location that we found. Not just the facilities, the knowledge institutes, the network, but all the other startups that we are surrounding ourselves with, really inspiring.
I wish you all the luck with the company.
Yeah, thank you.